we do have a package for a new fragrance from Gisada. Let's just unbox it and do the first impressions together, okay? I'm just using my scissors today. Quick, because it's only like one a little unboxing, and I'm doing it standing up. I don't know why, but I'm just doing it anyway. Anyway, it is done. So let's just put on the scissor here, and let's just do the unboxing. Okay, they told me it's a new fragrance. Which fragrance? I have no idea. And that fragrance is Titanium by Gisada. I love the color, Titanium. It's a really cool, nice color to me personally. Um, okay, let's unwrap this baby out and just throw this here, and let's just do the unboxing. You know what? I forgot my tester strip, so I'm just gonna make it my scent of the night. Why the hell not, right? Ooh, that bottle is cool. That's a cool bottle. And it's smelly. It smells like sweet herbal from the box. But let's just, okay, but from the atomizer, I smell ultra malt. Okay, let's just make it my scent of the day before I, is this ultra malt, but different? No, it's not ultra malt. It's deeper than ultra malt. Different than ultra malt. Okay, I need to spray it on my hand to be able to smell it properly. But I smelled like ultra malt in the air, and but different than ultra malt. Is that cinnamony, like darker ultra malt? I don't know. Okay, this is definitely sweeter, like a really rich, denser sweet. Kind of like bubble gummy, deeper ultra malt to me. I don't know. That's what it smelled to me, but it's good. I like it. It's different than ultra malt, definitely, but it's definitely sweet, bubblegummy, vanillic type of a scent. It is strong though. I like it. I just wanna put on a couple more sprays. It's Sunday evening, and yeah, I like it. I smell something herbal, but sweet, vanillic, bubblegummy with a little bit of herb twist on top. The herbal note is not very prominent at all. I just literally, like, I'm being honest here, I picked it up one time and the second time I didn't pick it up. But you know, sometimes when you smell like an herbal note and just like it goes away, that's what happened to me. It's definitely very lavendery. There's a big dose of lavender, but like really deep lavender in your face with vanilla. The lavender dose here, it's big though. It's really, really big. So it's like literally like lavender in your face. Surprisingly enough, it's more lavender than vanilla from the top notes here. And usually they put vanilla in fragrances more than the lavender note, but here it's more lavender than vanilla. I definitely picked up ultra malt right away, but it's not entirely ultra malt. This is kind of like ultra malt elixir, if it makes any sense. This is also a first impression, so I'm just telling you on the spot how I feel, what this fragrance made me feel on the spot. Definitely more lavender than vanilla. It smells really good though. It's a little bit on the mature side when it comes to vanilla and lavender. I'm not saying it's old because it is not, but it's definitely not like ultra malt, very playful type of vanilla and lavender. This is lavender and vanilla, so it feels more aromatic, more fougere than ultra malt, which is more playful. So my first impressions here from this top notes with this fragrance right here, that it's kind of like ultra malty, lumal type of a scent with more lavender, and it feels more aromatic and more fougere. A little bit older than the ultra malt type. And now that big dose of lavender here, it gives me a little bit of Layton vibe, but it's not as fresh as Layton. It's not fresh, it's just very lavendery, sweet. But just that lavender note here just gives me more of a Layton vibe. It's nice, I really like it. I'm just gonna wear it a couple more times and I'm just gonna let you know with a proper review very soon, so stay tuned. This is Gisada Titanium, the brand new spanking release from the House of Gisada again. I love the bottle, and this is it. That's my first impressions of Gisada Titanium. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Have you ever tried Titanium from the House of Gisada before or not? And this is it. Peace.